How to find meeting passcode on Zoom. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can find passcode on Zoom if you're a host or the participant. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you need to open up Zoom and make sure to log in. Now, if you're the host, you have to select your scheduled meeting from the list. So in order to access that, navigate to your left hand side and from there click on meeting. So if you already have your scheduled meeting, you can simply select one from here and the passcode will be displayed on the meeting ID and passcode. But if you don't have any scheduled meeting yet and if you want to create one, click on schedule a meeting. So from here you can schedule a meeting, you can add topics and more. If you scroll down a bit, there is the section where your meeting ID will be generated automatically if you choose one from here, and your passcode is displayed right here. And if you want to change it, you can do that as well. But if you want to continue with your personal meeting ID, you can choose that, and this will be your passcode for the meeting. And you can share this passcode later on for all of the participants. So that's the way to find the passcode if you're scheduling a meeting. But if you're already on an ongoing meeting, then you have to click on the security or meeting information at the top left on the ongoing meeting. And if you are the participant, the host will send an invitation where the passcode is usually embedded in the link. If you look at the link, there will be the section with the text PWD, and there you will find your passcode. And in case if the passcode is not in the link, you could request it from the host. And that's how you can find the meeting passcode in Zoom. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.